Lab 12 is animal behavior, which is usually one of students' most favorite labs because you get to see the variety of ways in which animals interact and why they interact those ways. So, only thing you need for this lab are colored pencils, which should be found in your lab kit. So you're going to read the introduction. Again, those bold-faced words are always important to know for tests and quizzes. And a lot of this information is also going to be covered in the lecture portion of the course. And you can see things like sexual dimorphism, which we've previously discussed, meaning different sexes, male versus female, are going to be different colors or maybe different sizes, etc. So here is your first activity. You're going to click on the link and then you're going to answer the questions. So when you click on the link, you're going to click Start Interactive. Click, let's see, I'm going to start over because I've used this before. And you're going to basically just follow the prompts. So introduction, you're going to read the information. And then I'm calling these slides. If you're like, what is the slide? This is what I'm going to call a slide. So once you've read all the information, then you're going to go to the next slide. Just click on the arrow on the right and explore all the things. So the visual, the auditory, all the things on each slide. Watch the video. So this is the video on how these elephants interact. Keep going. So you're basically going to keep working your way through here. And while you're reading each of the slides, you're filling in the questions. So this is all about those elephants. And then when you get to the next page, question 5, etc., you're going to continue filling in those questions. Then it says click on Case Studies tab and choose birds. So we're going to go back so you can see where you are. So we've read all the things about the elephants. Click on Case Studies, and you're going to choose the birds. And then you're going to listen to the bird sounds. There's our cardinal, etc. And again, you're going to answer those questions. So it says number 8, how many bird sounds do you identify, etc. So you're going to keep doing that. And then when you get to questions 12 through 21, you're going to fill in those, and you're going to upload that for photo 1. We're also going to click on the bat and moth case study. So the birds and the bat and moth. Answer the questions. Then for the rest of these, you're going to click on the video link, which I'm not going to click on all of them. I'll just show you where they are. Watch the video, answer the questions. So you're going to continue to do that for all the videos. There's questions 23 through 30. That's photo 2. And you're going to continue doing that. Each of the videos is going to provide a different set of animals and their different kinds of behaviors. So you get a little snap peek of all the different behaviors. All right, for the last idea, you're going to create what's called an ethogram. So we're going to start with famous Jane Goodall, who is a famous ethologist who studies animals. And you're going to click the link and then fast forward to the 10-minute mark. So you only need to watch the last 8 minutes. So from 10 minutes to 18 minutes. And you're going to observe each of these behaviors, grooming, caregiving, etc. And just put a little tally or a little hash mark in each of the boxes. So each time you see the action happen again, then you're going to put a tally mark. Then you're going to add them all up. So let's say you've had 5 of these, 10 of these, 2 of these, etc. Then you're going to total them all up and you're going to make a bar graph. Again, nice and neat using those colored pencils. So at the bottom, we've already got the labels. This was going to match up with your tallies. You're going to label the other axis. And then once you've colored it in very neatly, this is going to be your 4th photo, which you're going to take a selfie with.